What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to use Apple AirPlay on your Sony Bravia TV. Now over here I have the Sony Bravia Google TV, but it doesn't matter the type or model of Sony TV you have, whether you have the Sony Bravia Android TV or the old Sony Bravia TV. By the end of this video you should be able to use Apple AirPlay on your Sony Bravia TV and connect and mirror any iOS device to your Sony TV. And in case you do not know, Apple AirPlay is the feature that allows you to be able to connect your Sony Bravia TV to iOS devices and do things like screen mirroring your iPhone or any iOS device to your Sony Bravia TV. And in order for you to use the Apple AirPlay feature, first things first, you want to go ahead and locate where it is on your Sony TV. Now there are different ways you can actually find the Apple AirPlay feature. The first option is to simply just press on the input source button on your Sony remote control, and you're going to get this menu at the bottom over here, and you should be able to find the Apple AirPlay feature over here. Alternatively, another way you can find the Apple AirPlay feature on your Sony Bravia TV is to simply just head over to the settings of the TV over here. Go ahead and open up the settings of your Sony Bravia TV, then scroll down until you get to the system settings over here. Select system settings, then continuously scroll down until you get to the Apple AirPlay and HomeKit settings over here. You can literally see the option over here. Now go ahead and open it up and then click on Apple AirPlay and HomeKit settings. This will automatically open up the Apple AirPlay feature on your Sony Bravia TV. Now to use the Apple AirPlay feature, first things first, you have to make sure that Apple AirPlay at the top over here is turned on. And as you can see, mine is currently turned on. So you can now go ahead to connect, then screen mirror or screencast your iPhone or any iOS device to your Sony Bravia TV, as long as both your iOS device, that is your iPhone or your MacBook, and your Sony TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So basically over here is my iPhone, and currently both my iPhone and my Sony Bravia TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now in order for me to be able to screen mirror my iPhone screen to my Sony Bravia TV, basically what I'll do is to just scroll down to this notification center on my iPhone and then go ahead and look for the screen mirroring or screencast icon, which is basically this box icon over here that is stacked upon another box. So you just want to go ahead and tap on it, and automatically you should be able to find the name of your Sony Bravia TV over here. In my case, the name of my Sony Bravia TV is Living Room TV 3, so I'll go ahead and select it just like so, then give the TV some few seconds. Now automatically you'll be required to enter the code that is displayed on your Sony Bravia TV inside of this input field on your iPhone or your iOS device. So I'll go ahead and enter mine, which is basically 9738, and then click on OK, and automatically your iPhone will be mirrored to your Sony Bravia TV. And as you can see, it works absolutely well. So I can go ahead and start playing music, watching videos on my iPhone, and it will be displayed on my Sony Bravia TV over here. Again, this works for any Sony Bravia TV you have. As long as you have the Apple AirPlay feature, this should work absolutely well for you. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.